Today is Sunday plus sunny day, which motivates me to complete some of my pending work. During this harsh winter in Boston, sunny days always improve the mood, mental health, which provides a good source of energy, and help me to complete my household work, which are pending since long just because of lazy weather and lazy me. Builder had created many doors in this area of my house. One is for pantry, another is for jacket closet, the third one is go to the garage, and the fourth one is half bath, which creates a big confusion when guest arrives. So my plan is to make it little easy for our guest to hang a bathroom sign over the door, which make them really helpful to navigate their directions. To protect the door paint or look, I am using a command hook to hang it over, and I am using masking tape to support the board. Masking tape doesn't have a strong adhesive, so it won't impact the door paint, but it will support the board. Now snow is getting melted gradually and giving us a signal to remove our holiday decor and make the home winter season ready. Slowly or gradually, I am taking off all the decoration from holiday season and putting them in a safe desired place. So I am planning to organize the under the sink cabinet and the kitchen island. But before that, I am quickly making a palak paneer for all of us so that I don't have to be in rush while organizing the cabinet or island. The roti matic will do the roti making job whenever everyone is ready to eat. But before that, I have to make the curry. The palak paneer is easy to make and delicious to eat. I use the puree of blanched spinach and cooking it with aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander powder and garam masala. This curry doesn't have any onion or garlic, and then simmering paneer cubes in the gravy. This recipe is full of nutritious value which goes with rice and roti. Let me share my experience of this steel cutting board with you. In true sense, this board is offering a hygiene, being non-porous, easy to sanitize, no stain or odor complaint. This piece is versatile, such as good for dough kneading, or sometimes you can use for a hot base if you are in rush and not able to find your coaster or trivet. And yes, it is little bit slippery, makes some noises when chopping the hard veggies, and it makes knife dull because of the hard surface which impact the knife edges. So it's personal preference, but I really like the stainless steel chopping board. Having an instant pot is like a blessing these days. To set the yogurt, use its heating element to boil the milk, then maintain a precise low temperature. This is crucial for culture to thrive. Whisk in a few tablespoons of plain yogurt with live culture into a lukewarm milk. Place it for next 8 hours on the yogurt setting on and you are all set. If we have such good organizer, whether it is market bought or a DIY, the organization process would be way more easier or easily accessible. Similarly, I am using this under the sink organizer storage 2-tier pull-out racks to maintain my stuff and clarity. However, this organizer could be suitable for any other storage like bathroom or kitchen or any other cabinet because it serves the purpose and we manage our goods while organizing. This one helps to use a vertical space while leaving ample room for plumbing and garbage disposal. This one is suitable to hold good number of products. These sliding drawers with the convenient pull-out features and easy-to-grip handles, accessing items stored at the bottom of the organizer is a breeze. Now, no more digging through cluttered cabinet. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. This is a hassle-free setup plus tool-free installation with enhanced stability. Could be adjusted as per the demand. Ideal for cleaning supplies to anything which needs to be handy in good access shape. This rack design is innovative and solve the problem with the style. Along with it is rust resistant feature ensure long-lasting performance in both kitchen and bathroom environment. I am gonna do a new DIY with the use of these old plastic plate and bowl which is from IKEA. Once I complete my DIY, I will definitely share with you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this type of content. Here I am giving you a tip that don't throw your old used plastic plates as it could be used as a base of any planter to avoid of any water spillage. If you have some, you can use them for indoor planters. I always keep some amount of baking soda for the kitchen cleaning purpose, and this goes here under the sink area. So that would be so easily accessible when needed. Scrub Mommy is a dual-sided, smile-shaped sponge that firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and softness in warm water for light and soft cleaning. I love this sponge to clean my induction cooktop. Reason being, this sponge is scratch-free, odor-resistant and designed to clean dishes, countertop, gas stove and many more. The another thing which I really recommend for the kitchen cleaning is the Scotch Brite sponge cloth. This work like a magic, absorb like a sponge and clean like a cloth. This is a machine washable which could be reusable. I really like the versatile cleaning application suitable for cleaning a range of items. I like to use this one to clean my entire kitchen countertop and the gas range, and it worked efficiently. This sponge cloth reusable light duty item must have in your kitchen, trust me. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this content and enjoy the video, and I see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.